Hello. Surya Engineering is a leading manufacturer of PVC S Hook. This PVC S Hook is used at the construction site. This is used for safety purposes for the workers who work on the construction site. With the help of this safety S Hook, electric cable passes from one place to another place. All the electric cables are hung on this PVC S Hook so that no one can touch the cables and avoid getting a nasty shock from the cable and avoid the current splitting by contact with water. Sizes of the PVC S Hook are 6 inches, which is approximately 152.5 millimeters, and the load capacity is 40 kilograms max. 9 inches, which is approximately 228.6 millimeters, and the load capacity is 55 kilograms max. 12 inches, which is approximately 304.8 millimeters, and the load capacity is 190 kilograms max. 15 inches, which is approximately 381 millimeters, and the load capacity is 300 kilograms max.